Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram call history. So for you to do that, you have to open your Instagram app, then click on the chat button at the right top of the screen. Then when you check, you notice that there is no specific option for you to check your Instagram call history, or probably a specific option for you to delete your Instagram call history. And for you to check your call history, you have to specifically click on a friends where you call last on your Instagram. For example, you can see this particular person, these are the call log. You can just simply tap on it, and delete it, or I can just simply go back to my home page, then click on the phone app on my iPhone. Then you can see this is also person, then just swipe to the right, then delete. And that is how you can delete your Instagram call history on your iPhone. If I need to be helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.